Rambutan might look unusual on the outside, but inside, it delivers a surprising range of health benefits that make it more than just a tropical snack. Native to Southeast Asia, this fruit is closely related to lychee and longan, and it's packed with hydration, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and natural energy-supporting nutrients. One of the biggest advantages of rambutan is its vitamin C content. A single serving can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs, helping support the immune system, skin repair, collagen production, and protection against oxidative stress. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron more effectively, which is important for maintaining energy levels and healthy circulation. Rambutan is also highly hydrating because of its water content. If you're feeling sluggish, dehydrated, or mentally foggy, fruits with high water levels can help restore balance naturally. Unlike processed snacks or sugary drinks that cause spikes and crashes, rambutan provides a lighter, steadier energy boost. Another important benefit is the fiber. Rambutan contains dietary fiber that supports digestion and gut health. Fiber helps food move efficiently through the digestive tract and can help reduce constipation while supporting healthier blood sugar balance. A healthier digestive system often affects more than digestion alone. Many people notice improvements in energy, comfort, appetite regulation, and overall wellness when their gut health improves. Rambutan also contains minerals like copper and manganese. Copper supports red blood cell production and contributes to healthy metabolism and immune function. Manganese plays a role in bone health and helps the body process carbohydrates, proteins, and cholesterol. Small amounts of these trace minerals matter more than most people realize because the body depends on them for hundreds of biochemical reactions. One reason nutrition experts are increasingly interested in tropical fruits is the antioxidant profile. Rambutan contains plant compounds that help combat oxidative stress caused by pollution, stress, poor sleep, processed foods, and aging. Oxidative stress contributes to cellular damage over time, so foods rich in antioxidants may help support long-term wellness and healthy aging. The peel and seed of rambutan have also attracted scientific interest because they contain additional bioactive compounds. However, the flesh is the part commonly eaten and considered safest for regular consumption. The fruit itself is sweet, juicy, and easy to add into a healthy diet. It can be eaten fresh, added to fruit bowls, blended into smoothies, or paired with yogurt and other tropical fruits. For people watching calorie intake, rambutan can satisfy sweet cravings with fewer downsides than heavily processed desserts. It has natural sugars, but it also comes with fiber and nutrients, making it more balanced than candy or refined snacks. Moderation still matters, especially for individuals monitoring blood sugar closely. But compared with many packaged sweets, rambutan offers much more nutritional value. Rambutan may also support heart health indirectly. The fiber content can contribute to healthier cholesterol balance, while antioxidants help support blood vessel health. Potassium found in many tropical fruits can assist with fluid balance and healthy blood pressure support. While rambutan alone is not a cure or treatment for cardiovascular issues, it fits well into a heart-conscious eating pattern. Skin health is another area where rambutan's nutrients may help. Vitamin C supports collagen formation, which contributes to skin elasticity and repair. Hydration and antioxidants can also help the skin maintain a healthier appearance over time. Nutrition and skin quality are closely connected, even though many people focus only on external skincare products. Some people are surprised to learn that fruits like rambutan can also contribute to mental performance indirectly. Hydration, micronutrients, stable energy, and reduced oxidative stress all influence focus, alertness, and mood. When the body functions better overall, mental clarity often improves too. If you've never tried rambutan before, the easiest way to eat it is to cut or peel the outer skin carefully and remove the translucent fruit inside. The texture is similar to lychee, soft and juicy with a mildly floral sweetness. Be mindful of the seed in the center. When shopping for rambutan, look for fruits with vibrant skin colors and fresh-looking spines. If the outer hairs appear dry or darkened, the fruit may be older. Fresh rambutan is usually best refrigerated and eaten within several days. One interesting detail about rambutan is its name. The word comes from the Malay word Rambut, meaning hair, referring to the fruit's distinctive outer appearance. Despite the unusual look, it's one of the more approachable tropical fruits once you try it. Now for a bonus insight that works especially well in audio format. Pairing rambutan with other nutrient-dense fruits can create a stronger nutritional combination than relying on a single superfood. For example, combining rambutan with berries, citrus fruits, or kiwi increases antioxidant diversity and vitamin intake. Nutrition researchers often emphasize variety because different plant compounds perform different protective roles in the body. Another bonus tip: rambutan works surprisingly well as a healthy afternoon reset snack. Many people reach for caffeine or processed sugar during energy dips, but hydration-rich fruits with natural carbohydrates and micronutrients can help restore energy more gently. Keeping fruits like rambutan chilled can make them even more refreshing and satisfying. At the end of the day, rambutan is more than an exotic fruit trend. It offers hydration, vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and natural sweetness in a compact package. While no single food transforms health overnight, adding nutrient-rich whole foods consistently can make a meaningful difference over time. Rambutan is one more example of how colorful, natural foods often provide benefits that go far beyond appearance or flavor alone.